Greetings everyone. ASMR Troll here. Okay, so let's get into it. This video is gonna be COVID package sounds. COVID sounds, yeah. Okay, and just have a little bit of fun. All right, let's get to it. So today I have me some COVID packets from COVID. Unless they still giving these out, but I got me a little bag of boxes of stuff on it, and I am staff at Spirit at Heart, and when I go back, I'm gonna be staff, whatever, right? So, these are masks, so I don't know if I had a mask, so I like this mask box here, so break it out. Broken out box, like care, who care? Well, broken box, but how you want to give people COVID? It's 2020. Talking about COVID vaccine. Man, listen. Like that, man. COVID vaccine box, man. COVID vaccine box. What's this? Some A cards. Hope not breaking anything. Anyone, what's this? Home test? Wait, what? Go and get me a COVID test. I'm talking about use the COVID test. I feel fine. What am I using? COVID test. COVID test. Oh, yeah. COVID test, man. COVID test. That's why I got so many COVID test cards, man. What's this? What is this? A white packet. A white packer. I don't know. You can call this white pack. What is white pack? White pack. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I got all these COVID ad cards. I don't know what these are. Let's read it. It says, Benex now COVID-19 ag card home test. Rapid test for the quantitative detective of COVID-19 antigens and nasal swab specimens. Contents: 1 Benex now COVID card, 1 nasal swab, and 1 regular bottle. What is the purpose? The population is almost at 8 billion. When I was in 3rd grade, it was at like 6 billion, what is happening here? So what is happening here? Credit to that guy on Instagram. I never seen these before today. Never. I got me a mountain of COVID A cards. I got money and I'm living in the bar.